Hello, this is B.V. Ramana, teacher in English. In this video, I would like to share with you the topic Information Transfer Pie Diagram. Well, Information Transfer Made Easy Part 1, Pie Chart and Pie Diagram. This is the model question. Look at the pie chart below. Sale of AC units in different seasons. This is the pie diagram or pie chart. Now the instruction. Now write a paragraph describing the information depicted in the diagram above. Now the question is how to make the slow learners write a description about this pie diagram. First, we have to help the children identify the key points of the diagram. The key points of the diagram is the heading. Heading is this one, sale of AC units in different seasons. And next, sectors of the diagrams. The parts of this pie diagrams are called sectors. This is one sector, this is one sector, this is one sector, this is one sector. And next point is topics or heads of the sectors. So what are the topics or what are the heads of the sectors are summer season, Christmas season, Dasra season and Sankranti season. These are the topics or heads of the sectors. And next, what are the values expressed? Generally, in case of pie diagram, the values are expressed in percentages. See here, 55%, 15%, 20% and 10%. So these are the important key points that must be sensitized to the children first. Now, how to write a description? Here is a format for slow learners. Now, the first part of our description is introduction part. For getting the answers for this introduction part, we have to put these three important questions. They are: what is the pie chart about? We get the answer for this question from the heading. So the pie chart about is the sale of AC units in different seasons. How many sectors are there? And we get from this diagram 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sectors are there. How are values expressed? The values are expressed in that percentage terms. So the answers for these questions forms the part of the introduction part. So the introduction part is the pie chart is about the sale of AC units in different seasons. And second question, how many sectors are there? There are 4 sectors. This will be the another sentence in the introduction part. How are values expressed? The values are expressed in percentages is the another sentence in the introduction part. So 3 sentences form the part of the introduction part of the description. The next part of the description we get from the writing topics names. For that we have to put these 2 questions. What does each sector refer to and what are the topics or heads? What does each sector refer to? Each sector refers to a topic or a head. Here summer season, Christmas season, Dasra season and Sankranti seasons. These are the topics. And what are the topics or heads? These are the topics. So each sector refers to a topic and then we can write the names of each topic. So next part of description is like this. Each sector refers to a head or topic. The topics or heads include summer season, Christmas season, Dasra season and Sankranti season. Then next part of the description is writing the percentages of each topic. It is very easy and it will be very easy for the children to write this part just following this structure of this sentence. That is the percentage of place, writing heading the sale of AC units and a topic, that is summer season, like this. That means the percentage of sale of units, the percentage of sale of units in a summer season is dash. We can write this sentence, we can adapt this sentence, and we can write the part of this description using this structure. The description of writing values of each head or topic may be like this. The percentage of sale of units in summer season is 35%. The percentage of sale of AC units in Christmas season is 15%. And the percentage of sale of AC units in Dasara season 13%, 20%. And the percentage of sale of AC units in Sankrant season is 10%. Like this, just making use of this structure, the percentage of plus heading of the diagram plus a topic name, we can easily write 4-5 sentences like this. The next part of the description may include writing inferences or comparisons or interpretation. How can we write this part? The first point is that we can write the maximum values and the least values of this pie diagram. Let us see how to write. The structure of the sentence may be like this. The maximum percentage of plus heading plus a topic. And the next sentence may be the least percentage of heading plus a topic name. Let us see in the form of sentences. So here we write the maximum value and the least values. So the maximum percentage of sale of AC units in summer season, that is 55%. And the least percentage of sale of AC units is in Sankrant season, that is 10%. Like this, we can write the maximum percentages and the least percentages of the heading plus the topic. Then we get the 2 sentences of the description about this interpretation. And next, we can make the comparisons with the help of the structure of this sentence. The percentage of heading plus a topic is more than or less than, again the percentage of heading of another topic. How can we write these 2 sentences? That is comparisons, more than sentences and less than sentences. Look at this more than sentence. The percentage of sale of AC units, that means that is the heading of this diagram. The percentage of sale of AC units in Dasara season is 5% more than, again the percentage of sale of units, AC units in Christmas season. So this is more than sentence. And we get the less than value sentence like this. Again the same structure. The percentage of sale of AC units in Sankrant season is 45% less than the sale of AC units in the summer season. Now we can write the differences and equalities in the values of these topics. And first, the difference sentence structure. The difference in percentage of plus heading plus topic and another topic, we can write like this structure. And for equality, there is an equality or there is no equality in percentage of heading plus between topic and another topic. Structure can be used for writing the differences and equalities between the values of these topics. Let us see how to write these sentences. The difference in percentage of sale of AC units in Dasara and Sankranti seasons is 10%. An equality sentence, equality value sentence. There is no equality in percentage of sale of AC units between summer and Dasara seasons. Like this, we can write the description of the pie diagram. But here, the one thing is to be remembered that this is not the ultimate one, only this is formed for the slow learners. So the description includes the introduction part, and next one writing topics names, and then writing percentages of each topic, then includes writing inferences, comparisons, and interpretations. Under this heading, we write the maximum and least values, and also the comparisons like more than and less than, and in the end, the differences and equal values. In this way, we can easily make the slow learners write a description. Let us take another example. Here is another example. Study the following pie diagram. Budget estimated by a family for their monthly expenses. Here the heading is monthly families monthly expenses. These are the sectors and these are the topics and these are the values. And now how to write a description from this one. First, introduction. The pie chart is about a family's monthly expenses. This is the heading. It has 5 sectors. These are the parts, and the values are expressed in percentages. These are the values. So this is the introduction part. And next, writing the names of topics. Each topic or each sector refers to a head or topic. Here, each sector refers to a head or topic, and the heads or topics include education, grocery, and next clothing, next investment, and then electricity or cell bill. So this is the second part, just writing the topics names. Next part, just writing the values of each topic. The structure of the sentence may be like this. The percentage of monthly expenses on education is 40%. The percentage of monthly expenses on grocery is 30%. The percentage of monthly expenses on clothing is 10%. The percentage of monthly expenses on investment is 15%. The percentage of monthly expenses on electricity bill is 5%. Like this, the percentage of plus the heading of the diagram plus the topic plus the value, and using this structure we can write the sentences about the values of the each topic. And next part includes interpretation. So here from this diagram it is clear that the opening sentence may be like this, and again we have to write using this percentage of, that is the maximum percentage of monthly expenses are on education, that is 40%. The least percentage of monthly expenses on electricity bill is 5%. So we can make use of the percentage of plus the heading plus topic name. So this structure, using this structure, we can write many sentences. So here for the interpretation, first we write the maximum values and the least values, and then comparisons, that is more than values and less than values. The structure may be like this. The percentage of monthly expenses on grocery is more than the percentage of monthly expenses on clothing. Again, the percentage of monthly expenses on cell bill is less than the percentage of monthly expenses on investment. So we can make use of the structures for writing the comparisons for meanings of more than and less than. And last expressions are differences and equalities. And the difference in the percentage of monthly expenses on clothing and education is 30%, and there is no equality in percentage of monthly expenses between education and clothing. Like this, we can write the description about a pie diagram very easily. Here, this is an introduction part. Here, just we have to write the topics names. Here we write the values of the topics, and then we write the interpretation of the pie diagram in a detailed way. Let us take another example. This is the model of the question. Tourists to India in 2017 from various countries. These values are not real values, just taken for examples. So the heading is Tourists to India in 2017 from various countries, and these are the different sectors, and these are the topics, and these are the values. these things first are to be sensitized to the students. Now we can write a paragraph describing this pie diagram. Here is a format for slow learners. First, the introduction part. The pie chart is about the tourists to India in 2017 from various countries. This is the heading. And next one, there are 7 sectors. These are the sectors and the values are expressed in percentages. And next one, the writing the topics names. Each sector refers to a topic or head. Each sector refers to a topic or head. And the heads or topics include America, England, China, and Japan, like this. And next, the expression of the values of the each topic. It will be very easy. Just writing the percentage of plus that heading plus topic plus that value. So the percentage of tourists to India in 2017 from America is 40%. The percentage of tourists to India in 2017 from England is 25%, and the percentage of tourists to India in 2017 from France is 7%, and the percentage of tourists to India in 2017 from China is 10%. Like this, we can write the sentences of values of these different topics. Then interpretation. From the diagram, it is clear that first maximum and least values. The maximum percentage of tourists in India are from America, 40%, and the least percentage of tourists to India are from Bhutan. This is 6%. And next one, comparisons, more than and less than. So the percentage of tourists to India in 2017 from England is more than the percentage of tourists to India in 2017 from China. So using the structures of the percentage of plus the heading plus the topic, we can write any number of sentences. And next one, the percentage of tourists to India in 2017 from France is less than the percentage of tourists to India in 2017 from America. So in this way, we can write the comparisons using more than and less than phrase. And next, difference and equalities. The difference in percentage of tourists to India in 2017 from Japan and Bhutan is 1%. There is equality in percentage of tourists to India in 2017 from Germany and France. Like this, we can write the interpretations or inferences and conclusions like this. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and tap the subscribe button, and also you can leave the constructive comments. Thank you very much for watching. Namaste. Finally, a word. This video is only for slow learners. You can make improvements according to your own skill.